Hello YouTubers, Stella258 here. I'm doing another video. This is just a random AJ video. I need a pet. I wanted to but this is going to be I don't know what this is going to be. I'll just be making outfits or something. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just bored right now. I wanted to record with you guys because there's been hackers lately and I'm scared. Seriously, I've been watching YouTube videos about people getting hacked so long ago, but you never know. Seriously. I'm gonna give a shout out to Tits if she comes right in. Oh hey Tits. I did not know she was here. Hey Tits. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. She's probably not gonna believe me. Done. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna give shout out to all my friends. No, this is going to be a prank video. I am going to do prank video. That's what I'm gonna say. Oh, this is my dear fuzzy large belly. I like all my names are large. Look. Large belly, round belly. Let's see what else do we have here. Large round belly. Which one is that? That's my giraffe. Who should I act like I'm hacking? What should I be in my troll video? I don't know. I'm just gonna choose a random one. Okay, I will act like, I don't know. Refresh. Okay, well, yeah. She's gonna refresh. I'll be back. I wish you could say more stuff on here, freaking say, do you have Skype or something? But yeah, I don't have my face in this video because I'm looking horrible. I just got out of the shower. I haven't blow dried my hair yet, and I look horrible. I'm I gotta do a YouTube video. But yeah, what thing should I do? Okay, what troll should I do? What troll should I do? Come on, let me look at this. Is Julian too? It's not showing his animal. None of the animals are showing up. I'm gonna do wolf, fake cat. You could pretend you were someone. I could. I don't know. I don't know. Let me BRB refresh. I will be back when I'm done refreshing. You can pretend you really want something. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna refresh. See ya. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just refreshed. My internet crashed, so I had to totally reopen it and everything. Alright, what should we do? I don't know what to do. Blah, blah. What? Oh god. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh no, ad. Oh, no. Okay, just ignore the words on the side. That's just the thing. Okay, what then is this? Oh, cool. Okay, oh, this is my friend Miss. Okay. Oh my god. Can we prank her? No, we can't even say prank. Can we trick? Can we play the video, the recording thing to her? I don't know. what I'm saying anymore. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, what happened? I don't know what's happened. I don't know what fire pitch you're talking about. Just to. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, I will act, you will be, I will act meal. I will act actual meal. Ew. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so hated on this video. What kind of look is that? What kind of look is that? I'm being so mean. I feel so bad. Like, oh my god. But she's like, oh my god. Yeah. I feel so meal. I feel so meal. I am so sad. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Yeah, it's just weird. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna tell her, like, at the very end. Well, it's fine, I only met her yesterday. It's just so weird. Okay. Hang on. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't do this more. You were just trolled for my video. You were just trolled for my recording. Just trolled for my recording. I felt so bad. I just can't. I just couldn't. Oh my god, the teeth are yellow. Lol. I am sorry if I made you feel bad. Well, I'm sorry if I made you feel bad. It's okay. Okay. I didn't want to be rude, so I just, like, stopped. What is on my trailer? Okay, I'm cool with that, whatever. Well, that was interesting. Yep. On to the next person. Yep, on to the next person. Here, I'll just buddy her for the heck of it. Let's go to any. Oh, too many. No. I'd get, like, a really bad rep here. So many people would hate. I need to go to, like. No, I don't want to go to this Alden because there's, like, 2 Aldens. One's, like, fake and one's real and stuff. I want to go to, like, someone's den. Is X on? Is X on? No, X isn't on. Blah, blah. I swear I've seen this person before. Oh my god, I have seen this person before. They were trying to trade my buddy. I want to go to Ren. No, I'll go to Wolf Match. I don't even know who Wolf Match. Oh god, no. Not that. They're doing clans, so. Wolfie. Hey, Wolfie. Can I troll you, Wolfie? Wolfie. Oh, too many Wolfie. Chill. Okay, what am I doing? I need Wolfie. Wolfie. I'm gonna act like my rare spike up. Wolfie. Oh, she just left. Oh, well, I don't care. That'll give me time to take it off my animals. Okay. This'll work. This'll somewhat work. I'll just go to one of my buddies and be like, oh my god, I got scammed. Or something like that. I don't know. Let's get all my animals with the collar and take it off. I only had one animal with the collar on. Oh my god, okay. Let's go to Alpha Omega. Whatever. Is she even at her den? Or should I click Geo's something? I forget, I'll follow her. Omega. Omega. My collar got scale. I'm gonna tell her in like 5 minutes. I'm tricking you. I'm sorry, I'm like not talking because I'm like zoning. Yellow. Yellow. Let's go. Let's go. I need to go to animal. Stop it. Don't you give it away. Don't give it away, Tids. Don't give it away. Oh my god. If she sends me something, I'm just gonna send it back to her. It's like, no, I was tricking you. Oh my god. I'm going to feel so bad if she sends me something like really good. I'm like, no, 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 no. I'm gonna do this. It's good. I swear, Tits gives it away. I'm like, no, don't do that. I'm going to laugh if we're both recording. Oh, there she goes. They both went BRB. I'm so confused. Okay, I'm all alone. Well, it didn't really get scammed. I'm tricking her. It's right there. See, right there. Okay. Okay, this video is getting too long. I will pause it. Oh, there she goes. Well, okay. Okay, next. That didn't work. Let's go to Ren. I'll go to Ren. Is she even at her den? Yeah. Oh my god, she actually is at her den. I was like, where am I? Ren. My rare collar got scale. Okay, I'm gonna tell her like in a couple of minutes. Like, oh my god. I know. I'm gonna have to do this fast because I only have like 2 minutes left for the recording. It's okay. I don't want your stuff. I'm going to feel really bad. Please do not send me anything. If she does, I'm just gonna send it back. Be like, no, don't do that. Don't send it back. It was a. Oh god, what'd she do? The den you're in is locked. Okay. Did she say something? Well, this is a prank. Oh, this is a chill video. So say hey. Oh, hey. Just say hey. I tried. XD. I did a chill video and it failed. I'm gonna be on the red carpet. I'm gonna be. I did a chill video and it failed. So now it's over. So I will see y'all later, guys. Bye!